सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Chapter 18, verse number 61. ईश्वरः सर्वभूतानां हृद्देशेऽर्जुन तिष्ठति भ्रामयन् सर्वभूतानि यन्त्रारूढानि मायया. Lord Krishna finally giving the advice to Arjuna: perform your duty based on your swabhava. He has completed that in the 60th shloka. From 61, he is entering into a new topic, like he has completed that instruction to Arjuna with the 60th shloka. Swabhavajena kaunteya nibaddha svena karmana. May you follow your swabhava. What is your nature? That swabhava is the propeller or instigator to do that action. It is very powerful. Every person perform his or her own duty based on their own swabhava. You cannot change that swabhava. One condition is you have to perform that duty or action based on your swabhava, that which is dharmic. You are following your swabhava only, but that action must be dharmic, legitimate, moderate, dharmic fully. It should not be illegitimate. Your swabhava has to go along with dharma. Your duty is to fight in the battlefield as a kshatriya. Your swabhava is that swabhava to protect dharma, to rule, to control, to administer. That is your swabhava. Na ichchasi yan mohat. Suppose out of delusion, even if you try to turn away from your duty, na ichchasi mohat karishyasi avashaha iti. You will perform helplessly, even though you turn away out of attachment towards your people. Even if you turn away from your duty, helplessly you are forced to do that action. One way or other you will do that in different place. Therefore, better do your duty in right place, wherever you are. Your house, your job is the best place where Bhagavan kept. Don't think this is not the right place for me, this is not the right duty for me. Convert all the places is the right place and convert all duties into right duties. It is your attitude. So you have given a right place, a right time now to fight. Not for us, okay. For Arjuna, right place to fight now. Right opportunity you have got. Similarly, wherever we are in our life also, as a householder, as a mother, as a father, whatever role Bhagavan has given to us, do that role now, happily. As a karma yoga. Good attitude you have to change. So no action, no duty, no role by itself is bad. No? All roles are good if you convert them into Ishvara Arpana. It is your job to convert every action into a worship. That maturity you have to get. That's what I am giving, Arjuna. No one can change one's own swabhava and their duties. Okay? Condition is only one silver line you have to, the punch line is here, be dharmic. Your swabhava should not go against to dharma. From this next shloka onwards, Lord Krishna talking about that controller of the entire universe. Ishvaraha sarvabhutanam hriddeshe tishtati. Hey Arjuna, this is very, very important shloka, often quoted by Acharya. This is from Antaryami Brahmanam, Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. This paraphrasing here in this shloka. That Lord is in everyone's heart. Hey Arjuna. Arjuna means here Ahascha Krishna Maharjunam. The one who is having a pure mind is called Arjuna. In Rig Samhita, the meaning is given. What do you mean by Arjuna? Arjuna meaning pure one, the one who is having Shuddha Antahkaranam ityarthaha. The Rig Samhita gives the meaning Ahascha Krishna Mahararjunam. Krishnam Ahaha Arjunam Arjunaha. O Arjuna, pure-minded one. Sarvabhutanam hriddeshe. Sarvabhutana means of all beings. Hriddeshe, the sanctum and sanctorum. Just as in the temple, you see the Garbhagriha. Like that, the whole body is like a temple if you take. Deho devalayam proktaha. So jivaha kevala shivaha. The one who is residing in the heart is Ishvara. Hriddeshe, and desha means place. Where is that place? Hrit means heart. In one's own heart. What we know, flesh, blood, heart. Like how many holes are there? Bypass surgery. Bypass also is there a road. This heart only we know. But Shastra says in that physical heart itself, there is a space. Desha means there is a space. In that space, Chaitanya Rupena Paramatma Tishtati. Hriddeshe Tishtati. Tishtati means he is abiding, available. Abiding what? Like reclining like a Vishnu, he is abiding. Or Kodandapani, he is abiding. Or Shiva, he is abiding. For that, Puranas, they say, he is sitting in your Hrit Pundarikam. Your heart is like a, that lotus bud. If you put like this downwards, it's like this Hrit Pundarikam. In that he is available, not with Shankha Chakra Gada. The Lord is available as Sat Chit Swarupena, Chidrupena, Sadrupena, Anandarupena. Chidrupena, Sadrupena. As an existent consciousness principle, he is available. Hriddeshe Arjuna Tishtati, Ishvaraha Tishtati. The Lord resides. You should not take literally with Shankha Chakra or Trishulam. Vijayadashmi Varapurade, Ambal is sitting. Ambal is sitting. How she is sitting? The meaning, philosophical meaning only you have to take here. சத்தா ஸ்பூர்த்தி பிரதாத்தினா. சத்தா ஸ்பூர்த்தின்னு, சத்தா மீன்ஸ் எக்ஸிஸ்டன்ஸ், ஸ்பூர்த்தி மீன்ஸ் கான்ஷியஸ்னஸ். By giving that existent consciousness principle to this body, the Lord is staying in your own heart. Not only in your own heart, sarva bhutanam hriddeshena. So the Lord resides in the heart, means here you can take in the mind. Heart and mind are one and the same. People say mind is in the brain, but Shastra says mind is in the heart. That's why you never hold your head when your mind is not well. What do you say? My mind is not well, you never hold your head. What do you say? என்னோட மனசு இங்கே யூ ஷோ ஆன் யுவர் ஹார்ட். என்னோட மனசு சரியில்லை இன்னைக்கு. என்ன இது சொல்லுவோம், நான் மனசு ரொம்ப ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கேன்னு சொல்ல மாட்டோம். ஜெனரலாக ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கேன்னு இப்படி யூ கேன் கீப் யுவர் ஹேண்ட் ஆன் யுவர் ஹார்ட் அண்ட் சே என்ன. பீப்புள் ஜெனரலி தே டோன்ட் சே என்ன. இட் இஸ் நேச்சுரல். எதுக்கு சொல்லணும்? ஆனந்தமாக இருக்கு. ஆனால் துக்கமாக இருக்கும்போது மாத்திரம் சொல்லுவோம், எனக்கு ரொம்ப துக்கமாக கஷ்டமாக இருக்க மனசில். எங்கே காமிக்கிறோம்? தலைமையிலே காமிக்கிறோம் இல்லையே, ஹிருதயத்தில் தான் காமிக்கிறோம். அதனால் மனசு கூட இங்கே தான் இருக்கு. ஸோ இந்த மைண்ட், ஹிருதேச மீன்ஸ் இந்த மைண்ட். பட் ஜெனரலி ஃபார் தி சேக் ஆஃப் வர்ஷிப், பூஜை பண்ணணும்னா யூ கேனாட் புட் த ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் ஆன் யுவர் ஹார்ட். பகவான் ஹியர் ஓன்லி ஒன்லி அச்சுதாய நமஹ அனந்தாய நமஹ. யூ கேனாட் புட் ஃப்ளவர்ஸ் ஆன் யுவர் ஹெட், ஓகே, ஆன் யுவர் ஹார்ட். For puja sake, we bring that Lord avahayami. அதுதான் when generally sampradayama, when you want to do puja, what they do, they take flower and take near the heart and put the flower to the Lord. Take the flower and take near to the chest and put that flower, because I have taken you from my heart for the sake of worship. That's why they show like this. Okay, that's why you should not put flowers like this. Generally you see they put like this. Then after puja, what do you do? Yadhasthanam pradisthapayami. What is yadhasthanam? Not pinnadi. முன்னாடி கொண்டு வந்த பின்னாடின்னா இது இல்லை. பின்னாடி யதாஸ்தானம்னா ஹிருதயஸ்தானம். யதாஸ்தானம் பிரதிஷ்டாபயாமி, இதுதான் பாவனை. திஸ் நாலேஜ் வி மஸ்ட் ஹாவ். வி மெச்சூர்னா ஆஃப்டர் 30-40 years we should know this. For children we show there. Later you understand. Avahayami pratisthapayami. What is yadhasthanam? Tell me now. Yadhasthanam enna? This must be, hridayam must be the yadhasthanam. How outside can be the yadhasthanam? Wherever I have kept in my pujaram, that is yadhasthanam, and you are thinking. But yadhasthanam in that mantra is not that yadhasthanam. This is yadhasthanam. Pratisthapaya. You cannot take the vigraham and keep in your heart. Therefore, you move back physically. Bhavana is what? Hriddeshe. That's yadhasthanam. இதெல்லாம் தெரியணும். நான் சொல்லக்கூடாது, தெரியணும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, ஸோ வாட் ஹீ டஸ் இன் சிட்டிங் இன் த ஹார்ட், வாட் ஹீ டஸ் இன் பிராமயன் சர்வபூதானி யந்திராரூடானி மாயையா. இதுதான் தட் மாயாதேவி. மாயாதேவின்னு வேறு இன்னொரு மாயாதேவி இல்லை, பொலிட்டிக்கல் மாயாதேவி. திஸ் மாயாதேவி மாயையா, த்ரூ மாயா யந்திராரூடானி இவ சர்வபூதானி பிராமயன்னு திஷ்டதி. He resides, simply residing without any job, unemployed. Bhagavan is sitting unemployed. என்ன பண்ணுவார்? உள்ள உட்கார்ந்து வேலை இல்லையே. He is doing the biggest job, controlling all the beings like a machine. Have you seen those key கொடுக்கிற machines இல்லை இருக்கு இல்லையா? If you give key, one பொம்மை வந்து ஜாலரா போடும், ஒன்று பிரம்மை வந்து சைட்ரா பண்ணணும். ஸோ தட் மேரேஜ் ஆர்கெஸ்ட்ராவுக்கு ஒரு இதெல்லாம் டால்ஸ் எல்லாம் கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா? இது ஒரு இது இல்லையோ, என்ன தசரா விஜயதசமிக்கு கொலுவெல்லாம் வைக்கிறான் இல்லையோ, அதில் லாட் ஆஃப் கீ பொம்மை இருக்கும், கீ கொடுப்பேன். அண்ட் தே ஸ்டார்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங். அண்ட் ஹவு தே ஆர் ஃபங்க்ஷனிங் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் மாயா கீ. Maya ki all start jumping, playing, dancing and skipping. So many things they are doing like machines. How they are functioning and the key aipoinodne they will stop. Like this, Maya key Bhagavan is using as though all these dolls are puppet show patado. Puppet show. Somebody is sitting on the top and the thread you cannot see. The string you cannot see. But you see the bomma. Adinde irukum. It's very nicely Ramayanam, Bharatam, everything they show, and that how they are talking, how they are moving, and somebody sitting up. No, you don't see him. He's sitting up and just they are moving, and that string Maya is in Bhagavan's hand. That is called like yantram. Is yantra rudhani. As though he is sitting in this mission, body machine, yantram, arudhani, is inside the heart and controlling, controller, ruler, administrator, eva pottukano. You have to put eva, it is not there, you have to supply. Okay, yantra rudhani mayaya eva. Like dolls which are activated by machine. Here machine is what? Maya. Maya, machine. Bhagavan is the one who is activating. Yatha. You have to supply. Yatha. Yantra arudhani iva mayaya sarva bhutani brahmayan tishtati. Just as the machines are activated by a person, similarly Lord activates the all beings with the help of Maya string, and he makes everything to act. Now we are all functioning, acting because of what? Because of the Lord. Using what power? Maya Shakti. Where he is there? Sitting inside and controlling. Riddeshe tishtati and controls. Brahmayan. Revolving in artham. Brahmayan means activating, energizing, propelling, instigating. Therefore, you have to recognize that every moment. Keneshitam patati preshitam manaha. The back of your blinking also. Eye blinking, the breathing, digestion, that every action is going on because of that Ishvara. Chaitanyam. Next shloka we will read. 62. That's why they say, "Oh Krishna, you are my eye of eye." Eye of eye. Kanninu kannai kanna. Edo சொல்லுவா. கண்ணேன்னு சொல்லுவானா, கண்ணேன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? கண்ணுக்கு கண்ணாக இருக்கார் பகவான். கண்ணுக்கு கண், ஐ ஆஃப் த ஐ. ஃபேன் ஆஃப் த ஃபேன் யாரு? அது சொன்னால் நல்லா புரியும். ஃபேன் ஆஃப் த ஃபேன் இஸ் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி, லைட் ஆஃப் த லைட் இஸ் எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி. சிமிலர்லி ஐ ஆஃப் த ஐ, smell of the smell, ear of the ear, touch of the touch, Bhagavan. Who is that Bhagavan? Satta Spurti Pradata, existent consciousness principle, Ananda Swarupam. So what? You have to surrender to him. He is there in your heart. Surrender to him, and that means give your heart to him and artha. Tameva sharanam gaccha sarvabhavena bharata tat prasadat param shantim sthanam prapsyasi shashvatam. Hey Bharata, O Arjuna, Bha means shining, Shining means that consciousness principle. Ra means reveling. Bha means jnanam. Bhas dhatu. Arjuna per Bharata. Our country name is what? Bharata Nadu. Bharata Nadu. Bharatam and Anarthana. Bha means shining. Ra means reveling. Bharatiyas are those people who are always reveling in that consciousness, spirituality and artham. All people here are interested in Anmiham. Anmiham and the spirituality. And the spirituality and the spirituality, they are interested in knowing Atma Swarupam. We are supposed to. Bharatiyas are those people who are always liking to attend Gita class, Upanishad class, or another connected to Bhagavan. The religion and spirituality is so high in this country. Very, very natural for these people. Okay, that's why Lord Krishna reminding Arjuna, you are whom? Bharata. Bharata means that who is interested in reveling in that Atma Swarupam. Tam eva sharanam gaccha. Tam means to him only, to that Ishvara who is in your heart. What Ishvara I said in the previous shloka, who is residing in your heart. To that Ishvara you have to surrender. Sharanam gaccha. May you surrender. May you become an integrated part of Ishvara. Don't forget that in artham. Tam eva. This is the first level. Sarvabhuta antargata Ishvaram in artham. Not only in my heart, in every being heart, He is available. With this attitude, with this bhavana, you have to surrender. Not artha artharthi bhakta madri surrender ahal. Yathana artha artharthi madri alindinde poi Bhagavane enak idu pannu adi pannane. Yathana indha madri alindinde Bhagavan kitta poradhu. Podum Bhagavane nariya you have got given to me. I am understanding that you are in everyone's heart. Prahalada recognized that at the age of 8 years. Chinna Vaisli, Dhruva recognized that. Bhakta Markandeya recognized that. Anjaneya recognized that. Anjaneya has shown that once he opened his heart, who is there? Rama, Lakshmana, Sita, sitting in the heart. Nama open panna enna theriyum. Our son, daughter, husband, children are the iruppan. Illenna neighbor, relatives da. Bhagavan. These stories and all we are studying, to have to surrender to that Lord who is in your heart. Tameva sharanam gaccha. Sarva bhavena, wholeheartedly. Wholeheartedly you surrender to Him who is in your heart. Don't be half-hearted, because understand that He is in your heart. Therefore, wholeheartedly, enna whole? WHOLE, whole. Wholeheartedly, hridaya purvakama. Wholeheartedly you surrender to the Lord. Therefore, holes in the heart cannot disturb you. Holes in the heart cannot disturb you if you wholeheartedly surrender to the Lord. Sarva bhavena. That means any place, at any time, whatever way you are living, any atmosphere. So you can surrender to the Lord. So what if you surrender to that Lord? Tat prasadat prapsyasi shantim. Paramam shantim. Param shantim apsyasi. That means your sadhanam is Bhagavan, your sadhyam is Bhagavan, your means is a Bhagavan, your end is Bhagavan. Ishvara prasadam. Everything is Ishvara prasadama. Eduko. So, tat prasadat, whatever, after surrendering to the Lord, with that heart, wholeheartedly, whatever comes to you, take it as a prasada. Take it as a prasada. With that, what will happen? You shall attain, prapsyasi, param shantim, jivan mukti you will attain. That means you do karma yoga, you do nishkama karma, and you get chitta shuddhi, you get jnana yogyata, and do upasana also. Every day do japa, do dhyanam, and slowly he will give what is the best for you. Param shantim, nimmadi ungal chayas, jivan mukti prapnoti ityartha. What is param shanti? Shanti enna peace. இப்போ நம்ம பீஸ் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா பீஸாக இருக்கு இல்லையா? இங்கே பீஸ் பராம் சாந்தி என்ன சுப்ரீம் பீஸ் which is ultimate peace, total peace. There is no ashanti at all further in one's life. அசாந்தி வராமலே இருக்கிற ஒரு நிலை, அது பராம் சாந்தி. இப்போ நமக்கு ஒரு சாந்தி இல்லை, பேரு சாந்தி, எப்பவுமே அசாந்தியா இருப்பான்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? சாந்த். That's why தியாகராஜா sang, சாந்தமு లేక సౌఖ్యము లేదు. Another Sadashiva Brahmendra Kirtanartha, Shanti Videha Suta Sahachari. Videha Suta Sahachari or Rama. Rama is so calm, always tranquil, balanced. That Param Shanti comes only when you get knowledge. That is called Jivan Mukti. Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam Prapya Saha Param Shanti Apnoti. Until that time, our possessions, professions, family, body, mind, all give what? A temporary Shanti. Temporary Shanti, Anitya Shanti they give. Once you surrender to God totally, slowly He gives that knowledge to you through a guru, and you get attain that knowledge. You get what? Aham Shanta Swarupaha Atma Asmi Jnanam. Jivan Mukti. That's why Jnani is Yavar Shanta Swarupaha. Later what? Shashvatam Sthanam Prapyasi. Videha Mukti also, Moksha Padam you get Videha Mukti. Through Vaya Jnana Yoga, you get Videha Mukti also. That means what? By living Jivan Mukti, liberation. Aham Atma Swarupaha. After leaving this body, what? I remain as Atma Swarupam, no rebirths. No need of entering another womb. Again, womb, if you enter what next? Tomb. Womb to tomb. So this womb to tomb business will end. Next shloka, 63. Iti te jnanamakyatam guhyat guhyataram maya vimrushyaitadasheshena yathechasi tatha kuru. Iti, thus, from 2nd chapter onwards. Come, friend. From 2nd chapter onwards up to here, up to 62. This teaching is over in Artha. Teaching is over. Iti, thus. Thus, from 2nd chapter onwards, Guhyataram guhyat jnanam akyatam. Thus, from 2nd chapter onwards up to here, this is supra-scientific knowledge is the topic of Vedas. What I have given? Secret knowledge. Guhyataram. This knowledge, jnanam karma yoga dvara chitta shuddhim prapya జ్ఞానయోగ ద్వారా జ్ఞానయోగం ప్రాప్త అన్నారు. జ్ఞానం ప్రాప్త, జ్ఞానయోగం ಇಲ್ಲ జ్ఞానం అన్నారు. హీ అటైన్డ్ దట్ నాలెడ్జ్. కర్మయోగ ద్వారా చిత్తశుద్ధి, ఉపాసన ద్వారా కర్మయోగ ద్వారా చిత్తశుద్ధి, ఉపాసన యోగ ద్వారా విక్షేప నివృత్తి, జ్ఞానయోగ ద్వారా జ్ఞాన ప్రాప్తి, జ్ఞాన ప్రాప్తి ద్వారా மோட்ச பிராப்தி. படி புரியறதோ? இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்கிறேன். கர்மயோக द्वारा चित्तशुद्धि प्राप्ति, उपासना योग द्वारा विक्षेप निवृत्ति प्राप्ति, एकाग्रता प्राप्ति. देन ज्ञान योग द्वारा अज्ञान निवृत्ति. ज्ञान योगन श्रवण मनन निधिध्यासन द्वारा अज्ञान निवृत्ति. वाट अज्ञानम? अज्ञान निवृत्ति, आत्म अज्ञान निवृत्ति. आत्म अज्ञान निवृत्ति ज्ञान प्राप्ति अर्थ. आत्म अज्ञान निवृत्ति मीन्स ज्ञान प्राप्ति. ज्ञान प्राप्ति मीन्स वाट? अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ज्ञानम. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि ज्ञानम इज वाट? मोक्ष, लिबरेशन, freedom from sorrow once for all. Once for all that sorrow ends. Always what? Gloomy face. Always. Not appopo. Always. Jnanam. What type of jnanam is this? Guhyataram. More secret. Secret than secret. Nariya secrets irukliya world la. நிறைய சீக்ரெட்ஸ் இருக்கு. பட் சீக்ரெட்டுக்குள்ள சீக்ரெட் அப்பா, இது லா மோர் சீக்ரெட். குஹ்யாத் குஹ்யதரம். every secret, this is the highest secret. More secret than every secret. రాజవిద్య రాజగుహ్యం. చక్కని రాజమార్గము ఉండగా అని త్యాగరాజ సాంగ్. చక్కని రాజమార్గం. என்ன ராஜமார்க்கம்? இதுதான் ராஜமார்க்கம். இது விட்டுட்டு எங்கேயோ ஓடுகின்றானே ஞான தங்கமேன. ஆக்யாதம் has been imparted by me. This secret knowledge has been imparted by me, given by me, taught by me. Te to you, maya te akyatam has been imparted by me to you, O Arjuna. Then what you have to do? From second chapter onwards, go on talking, I am Arjuna. 18వ అధ్యాయం ಗೊತ್ತುಕೊಳ್ಳೆ ನನಗೆ ಕಾಫೇ ಬಂದಾச்சு. Not for Arjuna, just I am telling, joking, okay? So once you go on explaining, now what is your job after listening that secret knowledge? What is your job? Vimrishya. Having analyzed this from 11th verse, second chapter, 11th verse onwards, up to 18th chapter, 62nd verse, this entire teaching you have to analyze, vimrishya. How you should analyze? Completely, aseshena kuru. Completely you analyze. Kuru na aseshena kuru. Kuru we can use later. No, aseshena vimrishya etat. Etat means this knowledge. This knowledge. So once in a while you have to look into your notes. Once in a while you have to sit and recapitulate the whole teaching. Next Thursday தான் ஞாபகம் வருதுன்னா கூடாது. You have to recapitulate what is. இப்போ தான் கிருஷ்ண ஜெயந்தி முடிச்சாச்சா? கிருஷ்ண ஜெயந்தி ஓவர். ஐயங்கார் குருவாடி கிருஷ்ண ஜெயந்தி, ஐயர்சு குருவாடி கிருஷ்ண ஜெயந்தி. நான் 2 பக்கமாக சாப்பிடுவேன். என்ன முறுக்கு சீடை அதே சாப்பிடுவேன். இந்த மாதிரி கிருஷ்ண ஜெயந்தி பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கப்பா. வாட் வாஸ் த டீச்சிங் கிவன் பை லார்ட் கிருஷ்ணா? That you have to analyze, Okay, you analyze. After analyzing this teaching, the teacher's job is only to give the teaching. And your job is to what? Assimilate. You have to internalize. You think. So, a preacher always commands, no? Preacher always commands the people. Teacher always helps the Shishya to use free will. Now understand, preacher ki, teacher ki difference. Preacher, teacher, unnudane Swamini. There is a lot of difference. A teacher and preacher. A preacher is one who take care of everything of the student, not helping the student to use the free will. I have to make you to think, to analyze. But without that, suppose a teacher is one who makes the free will of the student to use. Teacher is one who makes the student to use the free will. Who makes the free will of the student to use. That means the student has to analyze. Preacher preaches, but never makes the student to think. You have to think, okay, about that difference. Now, after analyzing, use your free will. You think, you decide, and you choose. Yatha ichchasi tatha kuru. Like parents also, they say to their children, சொல்ல வேண்டியதெல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டப்பா, உன் இஷ்டம், நீ என்னன்னா பண்ணிக்கோ. சொல்றோமா இல்லையா? I have already told you, now it is your job to decide. Finally, Krishna also using that astram, okay, with expecting what? You leave to your children, but still you are looking from behind. என்ன பண்ண போறானோ. இந்த பொண்ணுன்னு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும்னா அந்த பையனு கல்யாணம் பண்ணிக்கணும்னா நான் சொல்லிட்டேன், நீ இஷ்டம். என்ன அர்த்தம்னா உள்ள ஒரு ஏதோ எஜெண்டா இருக்கு. பட் Lord Krishna is not having like that. He says, yatha ichchasi, as you like. As you like, yatha ichchasi, whether to fight or not to fight, or to run away from the battlefield, or to fight and to get chitta shuddhi, to get moksha, you decide. Yatha ichchasi, as you like, tatha kuru, you do that way only, Arjuna. That means you have free will, use your free will. You have choice, use your choice here. Next shloka, 64. Sarvaguhyatamam bhuyaha Shrunu me paramam vachaha Ishtosi me dhrudam miti Tato bakshami te hitam. Bhuyaha. Again, the well-wishers are always like this. They don't leave. Like father, mother. Children always say, how many times you say, already you have told me, no? They feel like that. But Arjuna are not saying like that here. Okay, our children say like that. Arjuna is not saying, but still listening to Lord Krishna. He is having a tremendous respect, reverence towards Krishna. How he has understood after seeing the Vishwarupam, no? By the Arjuna. After seeing Vishwarupam, you are an ordinary person, Krishna. Naan ennamo nenicha, atta payyana nenicha. Not ordinary person. Oh, such a knowledge he is having. Great knowledge. Therefore, he is listening carefully. Bhuyaha. Again, Shrunu. இப்போதானே முடிச்சாச்சுன்னு சொன்னால் மணி ஸ்ரூன்னு சொல்கிறேன். சம்மரியில் சம்மரி. ஓகே, 11 to 17th chapter, whole teaching is over. 18th chapter, summary. 62nd shlokakulla iti and சொல்லிட்டார், thus teaching is over. யதா இச்சசி ததா குரு. போயிட்டு வான்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ, பூர்ணமதா பூர்ணமிதம் சொல்லலாம் இல்லையோ. அப்படி சொல்லாமல், ஒருவேளை நிஜமாவே போயிட்டான்னு என்ன பண்றது? இஃப் ஹி லீவ்ஸ் இன் த பேட்டில் ஃபீல்ட், அப்புறம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ அர்ஜுனா ஹேஸ் டு ஃபைட். ஸோ எகெயின் ஹீ இஸ் கிவிங் சம்மரி கர்மயோகா ஞான யோகா இன் 2 ஸ்லோகாஸில். வாட் ஸ்லோகான்னா அது 64, 65ல he is giving again 65 and 66 summary of summary. அந்த 65 66க்கு முன்னாடி 64 he says shrunu, listen, I am going to teach you what. bhuyaha shrunu, again listen. me paramam vachaha, my supreme words. Paramam means supreme, vachaha means words, mean my words, supreme words. I am not talking only just time passing words. நம்ம பேசினா அப்படி இருக்கும். பகவான் சொல்றாரு, don't think that I am talking a time passing words and all. Paramam vachaha, these are the words to be heard. These are the words to be attentively listened. These are the words to be analyzed. These are the words to be grasped and assimilated. Arjuna, paramam vachaha. Don't take it as granted. Paramam vachaha, sarva guhyatamam, the most secret of all. Sarva means of all. Guhyatamam, the most secret of all. Iti. Why I am teaching sarva guhyatamam paramam vachaha shrunu? Why I am asking you to listen again my supreme words? Why I am asking to listen my supreme words again, you know, because you are dear to me. அதான் விஷயம். என்னென்ன இந்த ஸ்லோகம்ல வேறு தாத்பரியம் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, டீச்சிங் ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. வை ஐ எம் டீச்சிங்? ஐ எம் நாட் ஹேவிங் எனி அஜெண்டா இன் மை ஹார்ட். சம்டைம்ஸ் any person is talking to us, என்ன இவனுக்கு என்ன பிரயோஜனம், நம்ம கூட இவ்வளோ பேசுகிறான்னு, why is talking so much, what benefit is going to get ன்னு நம்ம கொஞ்சம் யோசனை வந்துடும் உடனே, இல்லையா? ஏதோ இருக்கு, இவருக்கு எதுவோ பெனிஃபிட் பாப்போம், ஒன்றுமே இல்லை ஆனால் நினைப்போம், சும்மாவா பேசுவான்னு. திஸ் இஸ் கலியுகா, ஹியூமன் மைண்ட் திங்ஸ் லைக் தட். இவ்வளோ நேரம் வை, ஹவு திஸ் மச் டைம் இஸ் ஸ்பெண்டிங் ஃபார் மீ, so much energy is spending, what benefit he is going to get? அவனுக்கு ஒன்றும் பெனிஃபிட் கிடையாது. Some people are genuinely, they are very good in heart, well wishers. ஐயோ பாவமே கஷ்டப்படுறான்னு ஏதாவது சொன்னேன், அவன் ஏதோ நினைச்சு சொல்றான். Again listen, என்ன Arjuna made doubt. That's why Lord Krishna is clarifying. I don't have any expectation, anything in return. I am not having that any agenda, but only one reason. Because of one reason I am again asking you, that is, me dridham ishtaha asina. Since you are very dear to me. இது வேறு, all other Pandavas are not dear to you. Hey Krishna. Arjuna, Krishna talks like this, you are very very dear to me. And the dridam anna, and the very in artham, very very dear to me. I like you, I like you so much, I like you so much, I like you very much, I like you very much, I like you. Koncham force and matter words na dridham ishtaha, you are very very dear to me. ஒரே ஒரு காரணம் தான், because he is listening. வேற ஒன்றும் ரீசன் இல்லை. Teacher is very happy. Teacher love a student who gives his or her ear. அவ்வளோதான். பேசாமல் அப்பப்போ பேசலாம், பேசாமல் கேட்டுட்டே இருந்தேன்னா அதை விட டீச்சருக்கு என்ன வேணும்? ஒரு பக்கம் இங்கே நாலெட்ஜ் இஸ் ஷவரிங், flowing inside. You want to give to someone. And with a lot of patience, Arjuna is listening from long time. The important whole teaching Arjuna has grasped. இப்போ இன்னும் விருப்பம் ஜாஸ்தியா, liking has increased. மம திருடம் இஷ்டஹா அசி, therefore ததஹா ஹிதம் தே வக்ஷாமி. தே ஹிதம், what is good for you I shall tell. வக்ஷாமி, சொல்ல போறேன். பாருங்க, வக்ஷாமி என்ன ஃபியூச்சர் டென்ஸ், வக்ஷாமி என்ன ஃபியூச்சர் டென்ஸ். ஐ ஷால் டெல் யூ, ஐ எம் கோயிங் டு explain that. What is guhyatamam paramam vachaha? Listen again. I am going to tell you, because you are dear to me. What is that paramam vachaha? Again he is asking to listen. Your attention please. Your attention please, like that. In the slokam you can note, your attention please Arjuna, carefully listen. मन्मना भव मद्भक्तः मद्याजी मां नमस्कुरु मामे वैष्यसि सत्यं ते प्रतिजाने प्रियोऽसि मे. Very, very important shloka, this one and the next one. 65 and 66. The essence of Karma Yoga, Lord Krishna is giving in one shloka. This is the uniqueness of a great teacher. A teacher can talk weeks together on one shloka, hours together on one shloka, 1 hour and one shloka, half an hour, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, even 1 minute he can communicate. You can magnify, you can condense. That is the greatness of a real teacher. எனக்கு ஷார்ட்டாக சொல்ல தெரியாது, எனக்கு ரொம்ப எக்ஸ்பேண்டாக சொல்ல தெரியாதுன்னு சொல்லக்கூடாது. Tell me the essence. You can explain me. On and on and on you can explain. You can cut short and briefly you can give the teaching. That's Lord Krishna doing now. In the 65th shloka, whole religion he is talking. This is about religion, 66 about philosophy. Or in our words, what we have to put? Karma Yoga, religion and Karma Yoga. These are two important shlokas. Next last 10 minutes that is 11:50 to 12 நமக்கு மூடு எங்கே போவோம்னா வீட்டுக்கு போவோம். ஏன்னா லிசனிங் ஸ்பேன் இஸ் 20 minutes. அதுக்கப்புறம் கொஞ்சம் 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 என்ன பண்றது? யூ ஹாவ் டு லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி நவ். ஓகே, டோன்ட் மிஸ். லிசன், வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ஸ்லோகா ஐ செட். இந்த லாஸ்ட் 10 minutes தானே சுவாமினி ப்ரஷ் அப் பண்ணா, இதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டீச்சிங். பிரவருத்தி மார்கா, கர்ம யோகா. ஃப்ரம் வேர்ல்ட்லி ஆங்கிள் we can call it as religion. From Shastric angle, for Vedantic students how to understand the whole Karma Yoga, he is summarizing. That is 9th chapter 34th shloka. Whole thing he is summarizing. 9th chapter 34th shloka he is summarizing. Manmana bhava madbhaktaha bhava madhyaji bhava mam namaskuru. கொஞ்சம் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிட்டாரு, அப்படியே இஸ் கிவிங். மன்மனா பவா, கர்மயோகமே சாதனமா வச்சுக்கோன்னாரு. ரிமைன் வித் யுவர் மைண்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் ஆன் மீ. மன்மனாஹ, மனஹான்ன மைண்ட். மத் மனஹ மன்மனஹான்னாரு. May your life be God-centered. May you not forget God as your goal. Is called Karma Yoga. Karungo, Karma Yoga. Yoga means attitude, karma means action. That means may your life be God-centered, not self-centered. Okay, first God-centered. May you not forget the God as your goal. Madbhaktaha bhava. May you be my devotee. Love me. Devotee enna love me. Bhagavan kuda kenji kekararu paapam. Arjuna, do you love me? Love me, love me. Madbhaktaha bhava. That bhava you have to supply. Madbhaktaha bhava. And means, may you love moksha anartham. If you love karma yoga means what? You love chitta shuddhi. You love chitta shuddhi means what? You love jnana yogyata. You love jnana yogyata means what? You love shastra, guru. You love jnanam. You love moksha. இதெல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அவசியம் இல்லை. யூ ஆர் தேர் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட். நோ மத்பக்தஹா பவா. மே யூ லவ் த அல்டிமேட் கோல். தட் இஸ் த மீனிங் ஆஃப் மத்பக்தஹா. என்ன முறுக்கு சீடையே லவ்விங் 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 என்ன. மத்யாஜி பவ. மே யூ வர்ஷிப் மீ. வருஷம் வந்து பகவத்கீதை அங்கே வச்சுட்டு கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மனுக்கு பூ போடக்கூடாது, நான் கொஞ்சம் 4 பூ போட்டுட்டு கிருஷ்ண பரமாத்மனை நமஹான் அப்படி இல்லைப்பா. மே யூ வர்ஷிப் மீ. என்ன ஸ்டடி சாஸ்திரா, சிஸ்டமேட்டிக்கலி அனலைஸ். கர்மயோக ஸ்வரூபம் புரிஞ்சுக்கோன்னு அர்த்தம். எதுக்காக கர்ம பண்ணுறேன், எதுக்காக கிரகஸ்தாசிரமா, why I have to bring up my children, why I have to make them to study, why I have to take care of them, why I have to take my husband, why I have to take care of my grandparents or in-laws. Only for one thing, chitta shuddhi. Why? I am a karma yogi. Why? I want moksha. All the over. Not for anything else. Ada madhyaji bhava. Mam namaskuru. Bow down to me with this bhavana. Karma yoga, upasana yoga, jnana yoga is my lifestyle. God is the goal. God is not forgotten at all, and God is the ultimate destination for me. Mam namaskuru. Then what? If you do all these things, mad bhaktaha bhava, all if you do, if you are my devotee, if you worship me, if you do namaskara to me, if you surrender to me, you shall reach me. Mam eva eshyasi. You shall reach me alone. By doing Panchamahayajna, Karma Yoga Swarupam Purinchuko. Taking Karma Yoga as a sadhanam, take up Grihasthashrama, Dharma, earn money, Manusha Vittam, Daiva Vittam, Pati, Patni, Putra, children, all are only to spiritually you have to grow. Okay? The whole house, whole relations all meant to grow spiritually to that side. Mam eva yeshyasi. You shall reach me alone. Arjuna is blinking. Hey, don't blink. Lord Krishna says, Satyam pratijane. Te me priyaha asi. Arjuna, this is my pratigna, pratijane, this is my promise to you. Satyam, truly I do promise to you. Why? You are dear to me. Me priyaha asi. Te satyam pratijane. I promise to you, Arjuna. என்ன கிருஷ்ணன் கூட ப்ராமிஸ் பண்றாரு பாருங்க. நிஜமா நிஜமா சத்தியம், நான் சொன்னதெல்லாம் சத்தியம் அப்பா. இந்த பாடி மைண்ட் காம்ப்ளெக்ஸ் வந்து அனாத்மா. ப்ரொஃபஷன், ஃபேமிலி, பொசஷன், பாடி, மைண்ட், everything is anatma. That consciousness, existent principle is your real nature, my real nature. We are that Atma Swarupam. You are not different from me, I am not different from you. This is the highest truth. This is the truth. सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वा सर्वपापेभ्यः मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुचः मा शुचः. May you not have any grief. No more grief. First chapter என்ன chapter பேரு ஞாபகம் இருக்கோ? அர்ஜுன விஷாத யோகா. விஷாதம், sorrow, melancholy. Give up your sorrow, Arjuna. Ma shuchaha. Don't grieve. Don't keep castor oil face. No more castor oil face. So you enter into karma yoga by knowing its swarupam, nature. Take it as a sadhanam and get the phalam of karma yoga, get purity of the mind. Then what to do? Parityajya. Give up. Once you have attained the phalam, chitta shuddhi, over, give up entire thing. Family, possession, profession, body, mind complex, abhimana, kartrutva, bhavana. As a wife, I have done so much to me, Swami. As a mother, I have done so much. Don't say, stop talking. Stop talking. You thank them on the other hand. You thank your husband, you thank your wife, you thank your children, you thank your family, you thank your in-laws, you thank your grandparents, you thank everyone. You say, Namaste. Thank you to the entire universe which has helped me to grow. Sarvadharman parityaj. After getting chitta shuddhi, okay. Karma yogam, upasana yogam nalla practice panni. Now you withdrew. Pravritti margathilirunde withdrew and come to me to Jnana Yoga. Sarvadharman parityajya. Viddham pandit va. Mudichittu va. I am here waiting for you. Come to take to Jnana Yoga, philosophy. Without religion, philosophy is incomplete. Without religion, philosophy is impossible. Without philosophy enna philosophy? Not Madras University philosophy. Okay, philosophy enna Shravana Manana Jnanam Dwara Aham Brahmasmi Jnanam is impossible without Karma Yoga. Without philosophy Atma Jnanam, Karma Yoga is incomplete. Without Atma Jnanam, Karma Yoga is incomplete. Without Karma Yoga, Jnanam is impossible. Therefore, Arjuna, enter into religion, come to philosophy. Okay? Then enna pannanum Swami? Ipo naangalella enna pannanum kekadunga. You continue the puja, everything, minimum. But your priority must be what? Jnanam. That's what he says. Sarvadharman parityajya. Second level of life. First level of life, first half of the life, karma yoga. Chitta shuddhi. Over. Say goodbye. Don't hold on to that. Avi vittalum chavi vidamata anna madri ukarade. Don't poke your nose in your family matters. You are having an assignment with the Lord. Come on. For that. Sarvadharman parityajya means karma abhimana tyagaha. Kartrutva abhimana tyagaha. Deha abhimana tyagaha. Renounce deha abhimana. Body, abhimana. Attachment. Renounce, I am the doer. I am the uplifter of this family. I am the uplifter of the society. Give up that identity also. நான் பண்றேன் அந்த நான் விடப்பா. நானு பன்னு இல்லை. இந்த நான் ಅನ್ನೋದೇ நான் அங்கிற ஒரு பாவனை. இந்த அகங்காரம் ஈகோ விடு. சர்வதர்மான் வைதிக கர்மாணி லௌகிக கர்மாணி கர்மான்னு விடாதே. கர்ம பலத்தில் அபிமானம் விடு. புண்ணியம் வேண்டாம் பாப்பமும் வேண்டாம். எனக்கு பாப்பம் வேண்டான்னு ஓடிட்டேன். புண்ணியம் வேணுமன்னு. இப்போ புண்ணியம் கூட விடுன்னா நான் பார்த்துக்கிறேன். புண்ணியம் கூட வேண்டாம். ஸோ வாட்? మాం ఏకం శరణం వ్రజ. యు కమ్ టు మీ దిస్ సత్ చిత్ చైతన్య స్వరూప ఆత్మ ఫైనల్లీ. దట్ ఈస్ ద కల్మినేషన్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ బర్త్. దట్ ఈస్ ద అల్టిమేట్ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్. అర్జున, more in the next class. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.